Welcome back everybody. We're just heading back out of the campsite and we're going to take a left here guys, and we're going to head towards the beach, have a little bit of playtime with Skye. So we're going to cross the road. As you can see, there's some bus stops across the road as well. One takes you into Cromer and one to Sheringham. Right, we're just approaching East Runton now, and we're going to take a little right turn, and that leads us down onto the beach. There is a little car park, I believe, on the right hand side, and I'm pretty sure motorhomes were allowed to park there the last time I come. Right, and in front of us as well we've got Will's Place. This is a chip shop, fish and chip shop guys. I did have some here the very first time I come, probably about 4 years ago, and I must admit they weren't the best quality, so if we do try it, let's hope they've improved. But let's say they're open most nights, well, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 5 till 7:30. Not too sure of the prices, guys, so yeah, it'd be interesting to see. So there are a few tables outside as well, so you can dine outside. And just across the road, as you can see, there's a little nicer East Runton stores as well. That's literally just down the road from the site guys, so just saves you a longer walk into Cromer. As you probably know, there's a big Morrison's in Cromer for all your main provisions. So we're just coming up to the car park on the right hand side. There's toilet block there as well guys, some bins. There is a height barrier further in, but the front section looks okay to park to me. So we might just have a quick look at the parking machine. Yes, it does say motorhomes permitted, but you must park in the bays and must purchase tickets for each or the whole part of the bay used. So if you're crossing two bays, that's 2 parking fees. So an hour is 180, so 2 hours 360. So yeah, so double it if you require a double bay. Right, so we're going to head down the slipway. All looks good, the beach. The tide is out at the moment, so that's another good thing. And we're going to wander along to Cromer.
The stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds. Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
As you can see, it's a glorious day, guys.
How come the trees get
Sunny at
undressed
the
when
moment.
it's cold?
The wind has actually
And don't they miss the
dropped
leaves
at
they
the
left
moment, so
behind?
I'm hoping this is good news
Could
for the
it
weekend.
be to make the ground
get a drone
shine like gold
flying
until winter
on
comes?
here.
Until winter comes. Until winter comes.
So Skye's in around a
It
month.
really makes me wonder.
Remembered to bring the ball today.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me
Sugar in the
wonder.
water.
Oh, I wonder.
There you go, one happy girl.
How come the
She loves the
stars
beach
come
and the
to
water.
shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? It really makes me wonder.
It's exactly 1 year tomorrow, guys, since Skye was very poorly and I nearly lost my
Oh, I wonder.
travel companion, but this is a trip we should have been on last year at the corresponding time, but you probably all know the story and I won't go into it anymore, guys, but she's here to tell the town now and loving life, guys.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, it makes me wonder.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go. Don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Let's make miracles come from my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles come from my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
Right, I'm afraid we lost Skye's ball. He's gone out to sea somewhere. I thought the waves would bring it back in, but it seemed to take it further out, so lucky we got plenty of balls in the motorhome. Just a little disappointed now she can't play with the ball in the sea. Totally my fault. We might find another one on the beach somewhere on what somebody's left.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game.
I don't think she's very happy with me.
Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd.
She's still looking for it in the water.
Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
Right, we're gonna head off the beach now. Not too sure if there's any dog restrictions on the beaches at the moment. It's more towards Cromer, if there is, but I think it normally starts about April time, and that's I'm pretty confident we're okay. So if we see any signs up here, guys, I'll let you know.
Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause you
I knew it
know
wouldn't be long before she found a ball. It's only one of those little small tennis ball, but she's normally got the nose for a ball to find. Right, so there's a sign saying dogs are welcome. Restrictions from the 1st of May to the 30th of September. So basically, where we just got off, that is the start of the dog walk along the beach. And that's there are some people walking the dog on that section now, which they're perfectly entitled to. So we're just keeping Skye in a lead. There's a big drop over the edge there, so just something to be wary of, guys.
Skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I.
Right, so we've got Cromer
Been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like
Pavilion Theatre.
yesterday somehow. Time
Still
has
have
stopped,
shows
nothing's
on the
changed, we're the same.
You got
Skip the small talk, cause you
the
know me,
lifeboat.
yeah, you know me like nobody else.
Up on the cliffs there, sometimes they have goats on there, keeping the vegetation down. Right, I think I probably misinformed you on where you can start and end the dog walk. I believe it's at this point, guys, now. Just before before you get to the beach huts and that, so as I say, 1st of May, no walking your dog on this area. So we're getting close to town now, so we'll probably end the filming soon. I'm going to keep a bit more of Cromer for you all tomorrow. So we're going to head up to the chip shop and see if we can get some dinner. Right, so we're just coming off the beach, up the road, and directly in front of us you got number one's famous fish and chip shop. You got the restaurant directly in front, overlooking the pier and the sea, and just down the road slightly you got the takeaway. Hopefully I can get some with Skye soon, so we'll find out in a minute. So that is the takeaway entrance. Fish and chips, £8 for regular. Right, a little bit early, it's still only 4 o'clock, so we'll see if we can get back here. Right, we didn't end up at fish and chips at number one, so we've come to Mary Jane's. So unfortunately they wouldn't let me in with Skye to get some, so they've lost out, guys. So hopefully these are as good. Right, fish and chip time. Oh, sorry guys. Let's see what we got. And there we go, guys. Fish and chips. That's just a regular portion. Let's enjoy them. And how about that again, guys? We just got a double rainbow there. We just had a torrential downpour just as we were finishing the fish and chips, which I can really say they were lovely. And the other end is right over there, guys.